Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up and test your buy button. The first thing you're going to want to do is log into your eProspect Finder account, and once you've done that you're going to look under My Account, My Buy Button, and you're going to come to the default page here and you're going to see a URL, and I'm going to want you to left click on that, drag and right click on it, say copy to copy and paste. You will then go to AlertPay and you'll just log into your AlertPay account, and once you've logged into AlertPay you'll go under Business Tools, and under Business Tools you'll see IPN Setup. Click on the IPN Setup, and on the next screen you're going to see AlertPay PIN. That's just a document to explain everything, but the transaction PIN is what you're going to want to do. That's what we're looking for, and you're going to put your transaction PIN that you've already set up when you set up your AlertPay account. So you should have that. Click on Access, and then you're going to see a screen. Mine's already in here, the URL. That's where you're going to put the URL. But the first thing you're going to want to do is click Enabled. Yours is probably on Disabled, so click Enabled. The box will show up. Once you see the box, simply left click in there, then right click and then say paste, and the URL will then be in there. The security code is optional. It's just another step. Down here you're going to see test mode. Mine is disabled. What you're going to want to do is click Enabled, and then once you've clicked Enabled you will then update that. You will now have activated that, and it's going to be to say successfully update the IPN information. At this point you will now go back into your eProspect Finder account and make sure under this tab, under My Account, My Buy Button information, AlertPay account information, you use the email address that you have with your AlertPay. Make sure it's in there. Then you click on Testing Buy Button, scroll down, and simply click on Here to Pay. And you're going to pay yourself $2, but you're not really going to spend any money. It's just a test, and it will say Test Transaction. Make sure it says that. You're then going to need to log in, and once you've logged in again you're going to come to another screen. Again, it's still in Test Transaction. You're going to need to change the source of funds under Payment Details. It's going to be default use my AlertPay balance, and you don't have any because it's a new account, so you'll check the use my credit card that you put on file. Click Continue, and you'll scroll down, and you will then need to put in again your transaction PIN. And then say Pay. And at this point it says Payment Successful. And the other thing you're going to notice is you're going to see a little countdown here, and it's going to return you back to your eProspect Finder account. And once this counts down and it redirects you, and if it doesn't automatically redirect you, you can simply click here, and you will then be logged back into your AlertPay account, and you will now see your AlertPay Buy Button has been verified and working successfully. Now there's one more step that you need to do that's very important. You're going to need to log back into your AlertPay account and go under, again, Business Tools, IPN Setup, put in the PIN numbers, your transaction PIN if you need to, and you're going to go back under the test mode, and you now have to disable that and click Update. This is very important because if you don't do this and you stay in test mode, you're not going to receive the payments. So you need to do this and see that it successfully has been updated. And again, you can now at this point go back into your eProspect Finder account, and you can now promote your business.